Is it coming back? Hush. We can just barely hear it, but before, it was super loud. Oh, here it comes. Thank you. Do you see it? Same, it's over here, bro. Please show yourself. I want to get on video. It's over here, it's over here, it's over here. You see it? Yeah, same. I don't know if I'm getting something. I don't know if I'm getting this on camera or not. Did you see it? It went like, it was so quick. That was crazy. It went like in front of me. It went like, it was like only this high up. It was only like. I bet the animals are like, what the heck was that? Going back around. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. That way too. The other one going that way.
That's what I'm wondering. Are you
Look, the cows, they got very scared.
The trees.
Poor cows.
Aw, they're so scared.
They're so scared. They were over there, and now they've run all the way over here. There was so many.
They stayed together like a family.
Yeah, and there was so much more cows. There was like a bunch, but I don't know if I barely got them on video.
They're hiding in the trees for shelter. See, animals have feelings too, you guys.
I wasn't really videoing towards them that well.